Everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to share with you all these 5 units that I got off of maingang.com. They are all under $30 and they come ready to be worn right out the box with just a few minor tweaks. So I'm going to share with you all kind of like a bougie on a budget lookbook for wigs. If you are in the market for something affordable, quick and easy to style and wear, this video is definitely for you. The wigs are from the brand HERAREMY, and I'm just going to share with you all a few key details on each unit. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. Alright, so here I am with my wig cap on, ready to try on all these wigs for you guys. Each unit came packaged in this beautiful box here, and each unit also came with a net. This wig that I'm showing you guys is called Ella. She is a 38-inch relaxed wave style wig. She has 6 inches in parting down the middle. The laces are already cut, and the unit comes with adjustable straps, and it also comes with wig combs. And I'm just showing you guys the baby hairs. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the unit. It's on a ventilated cap. And yeah, so this unit was just giving me all types of like Pocahontas vibes, and I honestly love this unit. And I love the fact that you can use heat on these wigs up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. At first I was just trying to figure out what to do with the little synthetic baby hairs, as I've never had to use baby hairs with synthetic units, but I made it do what it do, and this was the end result. The unit is so long, and I'm actually gonna get on top of my my little ottoman there to kind of show you guys how long this hair is on me. And I am 5'9", so the hair falls right down to my booty. Super long, beautiful waves, just the perfect unit to just throw on and go. I love this wig. So it's just giving me everything, and it's pretty much just letting me know I don't have to break the bank to give you guys bad and bougie, period. Okay, period. Alright, so here we have Rihanna. She is 28 inches long, and this is a French wave styled unit. This time I have a lace front wig, and the parting is 6 inches deep. It also comes with wig combs and an adjustable strap. What you guys see me here doing is I'm using my razor, and I'm just cutting off the lace off of the front of the wig, pretty much, just so that I could get ready to put it on. As soon as I put this unit on, you guys are gonna see my reaction once I actually saw how the wig looked on me. I was just like in awe, like, wow, look at those pretty waves. This hair reminds me of like water wave, or like beach waves, pretty much. So this is one of those units that would be perfect for vacation. So if you're looking for vacation hair, Rihanna from maingang.com would be perfect for it. It's effortless. You don't have to do pretty much anything to this hair. If you do want to use heat, on the website it says that you can use up to 400 degrees on this unit. I don't see why anyone would want to add heat to this wig, because look at the waves, they're just so pretty. It's just, oh my goodness, it's everything. And I'm a sucker for curly hair, and this wig just gave me all that I needed when it came down to like a synthetic curly unit. So I'll link it down below for you guys. So here we have Selene. She's another 6-inch middle part unit. It did come with synthetic baby hairs, and I didn't know what to make of this unit when I first put it on, as you guys can see by my face, but I did a little tweaking. I just played around with it just a little bit to kind of get it to my liking, and I was like, okay, huh. As soon as I turned around, I looked at the hair like, oh my goodness, these waves are just popping. They are beautiful. It reminds me of loose, deep wave hair, or hair that has been crimped, or It's just, oh my goodness, it's like, it's just plush soft, it's beautiful. I didn't want to run my fingers through the hair too much because I didn't want to disturb the pattern or anything. This hair is just everything, and it's 28 inches long, and if you're like me, you love inches, okay? Okay, so here we have Liana. She's a lace frontal wig, and she comes with a 6-inch middle part. Initially, I was like, a synthetic bob, really? Well, let's give it a try. So, upon trying it on, I was like, oh, wow. I was really impressed. I was really impressed. It wasn't stiff or anything. So I went ahead and I cut off the lace from the wig, and I just used this wide tooth comb to kind of just get it into place, get the hairs into place. You can use up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat on this hair. So it's already cut into a bob, but I think for anyone who would rock it, you would kind of want to go back in and trim it just a little bit because right out the box, the back of the wig, it just kind of sits on my shoulder a little bit, so I would have to go back in with some clippers. But aside from that, this unit is definitely one you can rock right out the box. Last but not least, here we have Destiny. She is a 4x4 lace frontal kind of unit. She is 24 inches long and a body wavy kind of pattern. It's a free part lace closure, so it didn't initially come with parting. It did come with baby hairs, and I really had to do some tweaking and work with this unit. So I thought that if I styled it in like a flip over no part kind of thing, that would kind of, work a little bit, but it wasn't giving me what I needed. So I just went in with, trying to part it different kinds of ways. And I didn't want to use any heat on any of the units just yet. I kind of wanted to wait until they got a little older, but yeah, I was getting so frustrated. But your girl made something happen, okay, without any heat at that. So I was able to finally put a part in the wig and kind of tweak it to my liking pretty much, and that's what I pretty much did with all these units. Granted, they can be worn out of the box, but of course you have to do some tweaking to your liking. I'll link all of the wigs down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.